Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here.
Hi.
And Patrick.
That's
Patrick
me.
is behind me. We'll give everybody a few minutes to log in. Sometimes there's a little bit of a delay from the time I start to the time it actually goes live. So we'll give everybody a few minutes there. Happy Thursday to everybody. It is Thursday, July 22nd,
Don't look at me.
I believe. Is it the 22nd? Oh my gosh. I'm so confused
I
as
think
to the date. I think it's the 22nd. So July 22nd. So as everybody's joining in, hello everybody. Hope you're enjoying this beautiful weather that we're having. Hello Cheryl, hello Gretchen. If you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. I love to see who is on and watching me. Give me a thumbs up. Patrick is with us today. He is my guest bartender.
For today, though.
Just for today. Hello, Tammy, down in Florida. Good to see you. I think hopefully we'll see each other soon. And let's see, so it's Thursday. We have jazz tonight in the garden from 6:30 to 9 o'clock. Please call and make reservations. 845-647-3000. Our menu is changing a little bit starting tonight. So if you are used to the a la carte type menu, we're going back to where we were pre-COVID, where our salmon is coming with rice and kale, and our ribeye is coming with potatoes and vegetables. So we are reverting back to where we were back in March of 2020 before COVID. And
Seems like so far away.
It does seem like
How
far
long
away.
ago?
So we had changed our menu a little bit to make it easier for people to order, and we did everything a la carte. So we did a ribeye, and then you had to order the sides. Now everything is, all of our entrees are going to be coming with their appropriate sides. So that is a little bit new. Our salads, our pear salad and our Caesar salad are going to be a little bit new. You're going to get a half a head of romaine lettuce. And then all the toppings on top of that. So changing things up a little bit. And yeah, so we're excited to see how you guys take the changes. And if you have questions, please let us know. Marcus and I will be around all weekend. We have some catering going on this weekend. Our $9.99 to go special is a tiki masala chicken. It is an Indian braised chicken with rice and vegetables. Of course, our regular menu is available for takeout as well. Some of you I haven't seen in a long time. Hope you are all doing well, enjoying your summer, getting out there, getting in the pool, getting on boats.
It's gorgeous out.
Today is gorgeous. I think the weekend is supposed to be gorgeous, so thank goodness we finally are getting a good weekend. But in the meantime, this is all new to me because I have not really tasted Patrick's drink. So I'm really excited about tasting it. He's been making it for some people who come in, some regulars who come into the restaurant frequently, and some friends of ours. So he's been perfecting the drink. But we're going to try it with a new gin today. It's Todd and Vixen's from the Poughkeepsie area. So it's about 45 minutes from us. It's a dry gin. I just love that label. Look at those foxes on there.
It is very cool.
It's a cool label. Brand new gin. So we're going to try it with this gin, see how it comes out. I'm going to let Patrick take over because I've never had this drink, so I'm really excited to taste it. And I think he's excited to show you. He loves to bartend, by the way. I don't let him do it very often because I like to bartend. But I like when Patrick is behind the bar. He's got a great personality. Those of you that know Patrick know he is really good with people, sort of. And people really like to see him behind the bar. Patrick's been with us for almost 3 years now. Yeah. So
Something
3.5 years, something like that. So, yeah, so
I've gotten to see Jamie bartend and do these since COVID started, and I'm always in the background doing stuff. It's nice to actually be on one. She surprised me today.
You're always tasting them.
Yes,
so,
that's for sure.
Take it away, Patrick. I'm going to move aside and watch him make the drink.
Cool. So I rediscovered this drink maybe 3 weeks ago. It was called the Clover Club. It was made in the late, what would 1890s be, late 17th century? And then Prohibition happened, right? So it went away for a little while. And then someone published an article on it in the 30s, right after it ended. And they actually called this one of the worst cocktails of the previous decade. And the reason they called it that is because it was pink or blue. It had this really fruity light color. And I guess guys in the 20s and 30s had an aversion to that. Not anymore, though. This cocktail's back. and it is a gin sour martini with muddled blueberries. We've got some fresh organic blueberries right
Does it
here.
always come with blueberries, Patrick?
No, so the original recipe called for raspberries, but we didn't have any, so I just tried it with blueberries one day, and a few friends and regulars were here, and they let me use them as guinea pigs, and they loved it. They were ordering it all night, so
Excellent.
I've been doing it ever since. So we're gonna start off with some blueberries in here. I've got some thyme-infused agave, which Jamie made, and we've been using it for some drinks, but you could use any simple syrup or agave. I do prefer the agave just because I think it's a little bit better taste and you don't need as much of it. So we're just gonna put some blueberries in there, a small handful, a couple of squirts of the agave. And then this is the part where I'm testing. You guys could test it at home too. I've been using half an ounce of lemon and half an ounce of lime. I'm gonna try it with a full ounce of lemon today instead of the half-half thing, okay? So I'm gonna put that in there, and that's when I'm gonna start muddling those blueberries with the agave and all of that stuff. Try to make something really nice
So you're
here.
really just getting the juice out of the blueberries.
Right, you just want the juice out of the blueberries, right? That's what's gonna give it that awesome color and that little bit of fruity undertone to the otherwise very ginny drink.
And those of you who get our emails, if you are getting our emails, it was our drink of the day yesterday. So we
Oh,
put that on
nice.
as our
Very
drink
cool.
of the day yesterday.
I saw
So-
the post on Instagram, I think. Cool.
So yeah, so I'm excited to taste this drink. So thanks everybody for watching. Lots of cool people on. Hello,
sorry, Dan.
Sarah. That's okay. Hello, Diane. Hello, Terry and Michael and Joel, all the way from Arizona, and Gretchen.
Where do you see
who
all?
is
Oh,
at
they're right
North.
there. Oh, so
Yeah, so I love to see where people are tuning in from. So if you are tuning in live, if you want to drop where you are tuning in from, give me a thumbs up. So this is the Todd and Vixen from Poughkeepsie.
cool. We're gonna put 2 ounces of that in here. Obviously, if you're at home, you could do a little less or a little more, whatever suits you. Okay. Oh, I forgot to put ice. Definitely don't forget to put ice when you make this. Now, some people, as I've been making this, I won't name any names, but some people like it a little less sweet, so they'll ask me to put dry vermouth in it. The original recipe called for like beaten egg whites, but we're not a cocktail bar, so we're not gonna do that. And yeah, we're gonna give it some shakes and see how this comes out for you guys.
I'm super excited about this, so let's see how it comes out here. Uses a strainer.
I think with raspberries, you'll get a little bit more of a a more hot pink look, but the blueberries give it a beautiful color regardless, okay? So this is our first time, or my first time trying this with lemons.
We're gonna top it off with a couple of fresh blueberries, just on a little stick here.
I'm
Put
gonna
that
let
in
Jamie
there.
give
All
that
right.
a try, and she's gonna
Taste
let us
away.
know what we think.
Delicious. It's nice. It's dry.
Yeah.
You may.
So this is with the lemon.
So I like it a lot. The lemon balances out the acidity a little bit more.
Oh
And
wow,
it
I do
brings
like
out
that.
that gin flavor. I
Ooh, this
love
is nice gin too.
It's a really
Wow.
good gin. We just brought that in, and if you know Marcus, Marcus loves to bring in new products, and I'm always telling him no more new products, but this product, I love gin.
I can attest to
And
that.
I gotta tell you, I haven't had a gin and tonic yet this year, and I'm ready for a good gin and tonic. So
That is really
maybe
nice.
I will use the Todd and Vixens tonight for my next gin and tonic. Maybe I'll have one of those tonight.
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
I'll make you
so,
one, Jamie.
Awesome. So, cheers to everybody. Aroma
you
Time
guys.
is open tonight. Thank you, Patrick, for joining
Of
me
course,
on my
I'm gonna get
Facebook
to
Live.
some work,
Yes.
and I'll see you guys later, hopefully.
Awesome. So we have jazz tonight, 6:30 to 9 outside in our garden. So John Simon will be here with his crew. We are open outside tonight. We have takeout always available. Our $9.99 special this week for takeout is our tikka masala chicken. So it's an Indian braised chickpea. Indian. I always say Indian braised chickpea. Sorry about that. It's a Indian dish, so it's got some Indian spices with rice and broccoli. A regular menu is available. Our next wine dinner is not this next Monday, but August 2nd. We will have a beer dinner August 9th. And so back-to-back Mondays, and then the next week will be another wine dinner. And let's see, and that is it. That's it. I hope everybody has an awesome night. Cheers. I'm looking forward to drinking this drink while I'm putting our new menus in. Check out our new menus online. Check us out here at Aroma Time. Call, make reservations. We have limited tables, and we will see everybody soon. Cheers, everybody.